Hello students, how are you today? Today we're going to learn about past simple. Past simple. Last time we learned about was were, yeah? But today we're going to learn about regular and irregular verbs. Past simple, we mainly use verbs, yes? So verb to, it is the second column in the irregular verb. So we have two kind of verbs. A regular verb деген етістік, yeah. We have two kind of verbs. The first is regular verb, дұрыс етістік, and the second is irregular verb, бұрыс етістік. So for example, regular verb, it's the verb when we add ed, when we add at the end ed. But irregular verb, it is changes fully. For example, get, it is in present, got, it is in past. So for example, look at these words, irregular verbs, бұрыс етістіктер: get, got, go, went, have, had, do, did, yeah, and etc. We have a lot of irregular verbs, yeah. And now look at the regular verbs. Regular verbs, at the end we write ed form, yeah. Visit, visited, watch, watched, want, wanted, cook, cooked. Visit, present form, visited, past form. Yes? Okay, so and when can we use past simple? When are we going to use past simple? To talk about the past action. Past action which has finished in the past. Yeah? For example, I arrived at the airport. Мен аэропортқа келдім. Arrived, келу. Мен өткен шақта келдім. You finished the book. Сен кітапты аяқтадың. Я, сен уже болдың оны аяқтап, өткен шақта. He wanted a coffee. Ол кофе қалады, өткен шақта. It rained yesterday. Yesterday, кеше, яғни өткен шақ. It rained yesterday, кеше жаңбыр жауды. You worked late. You worked, it is in past simple, yeah? Сен жұмыс істедің. Okay, now let's look at how can we write positive, negative, and question sentences, yeah? So these are positive sentences. In all kind of pronouns, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, in all of these, we can use one ed, yeah? In all of these, we can use ed. So in I, worked, you worked, he, she, it worked, we worked, you worked, they worked. We don't need to change the words, yeah? Барлығына бірдей қолдана береміз. So this is positive sentence. Now look at negative sentence. Negative. So in negative sentence, we use auxiliary verb did. Auxiliary verb дегеніміз көмекші етістік did қолданамыз, yeah? Болымсыз түрін жасау үшін. I didn't work. Now look at this work. Енді workқа қарайықшы. Work'та не түсіп қалды? Work'тың соңындағы ed түсіп қалды, yeah? So when we use didn't, we don't write ed. Yeah? When we use didn't, we don't write ed. I didn't work, you didn't work, he, she, it didn't work, we didn't work, you didn't work, they didn't work. So these are all negative sentences. And now look at the next question form. So question form, this did is auxiliary verb. Мынау көмекші етістік. So before I, you, we, they, he, she, it, we have to write did. Did you work? Did he work? Did she work? Did you work? Yeah? Okay. So if you understand, now look at time expressions. Time expressions ол қандай сөздерді қолданған жағдайда біз оның past simple екенін таба аламыз. Бұл сіздерге life hack, бірден past simple екенін тауып алуға. Yeah? So you just have to learn these words. You have to learn by heart. Just жаттап аламыз. Yesterday, кеше. 2 days ago, 2 күн бұрын. Мына сөздерді дәптерге жазып алып, переводымен жазып аламыз. Түсінікті ма? 2 days ago, 2 күн бұрын. Last week, өткен аптада. Last month, өткен айда. Last year, өткен жылы. In 2005, 2005 жылы деген сияқты ары қарай жалғасып кете береді. Okay? So now look at some examples. They stayed at a hotel 2 days ago. She finished university in 2015. Our family lived in Казалы 30 years ago. Мынаның барлығы да stayed ed, finished ed, lived ed. Okay? So now if you understand the past simple, let's do some exercise.